Imagine you're watching the World Cup and suddenly 32 countries are playing matches, and you have absolutely no idea why some teams go home early while others keep playing. That's exactly what happens to millions of viewers every 4 years. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works, and you'll never be confused watching a World Cup again. Here's where it all starts: the group stage. Before any knockout drama happens, every team in the World Cup gets sorted into groups. Think of it like a mini-league inside a bigger tournament. Each group has 4 teams. Every team plays the other 3 teams in their group once. So each team plays exactly 3 games. That's it. Now here's where it gets interesting. After those 3 games, teams earn points. Win a game? 3 points. Draw? That's a tie, 1 point each. Lose? 0 points. At the end of the group, the top 2 teams advance. The bottom 2 go home. Simple, right? But here's what most people miss. There are 8 groups total, Group A through Group H. That's 32 teams split into 8 mini-tournaments happening simultaneously. 16 teams survive, 16 get eliminated, and sometimes a single goal in the last minute completely changes who advances. That's why group stage football is some of the most dramatic sport on earth. But why groups? Why not just straight knockouts from the start? Here's the thing. In a knockout tournament, you could get unlucky, face a great team on day 1, lose 1 game, and go home after playing just once. The group stage gives every country at least 3 guaranteed matches, a chance to recover, a chance to build momentum. Brazil, Germany, France, they've all had terrible group stage games before bouncing back. Groups keep things fair, and they keep things unpredictable. Now here's something that surprises people every time. Not every group is equal. Some groups are brutal, stacked with former world champions, top-ranked nations, powerhouse teams, all fighting for just 2 spots. Fans call this the group of death. It's a real thing. In 2014, Group D had Italy, England, Uruguay, and Costa Rica. 3 of those teams had won the World Cup before. Only 2 could survive. England went home without making it out of the group at a World Cup. Meanwhile, other groups are wide open, weaker teams, underdogs with real chances of advancing. Which group your country lands in can literally determine your entire World Cup. And the tiebreakers? This is where it gets wild. When teams finish with the same points, the first thing they look at is goal difference. That's goals scored minus goals conceded. Score a lot, don't let many in, and you move ahead. If that's still tied, they look at total goals scored. And if that's tied too, it can come down to disciplinary record, how many yellow and red cards your team collected, or even, and this is real, a literal coin flip. That has happened in World Cup history. So every goal matters, every clean sheet matters, every reckless tackle matters. Nothing in the group stage is wasted. Here's the bottom line. The group stage is the foundation of everything. 32 teams, 8 groups, 3 games each. Top 2 advance, bottom 2 go home. Points decide who stays. Drama decides who you remember. The World Cup isn't just about the final. Half the tournament happens right here, in these groups, where legacies are built, favorites are eliminated, and underdogs pull off the impossible. If you want to understand the rest of the tournament, the knockouts, the quarterfinals, the final itself, hit subscribe. We're breaking down every single stage until the last trophy lift.